Hello and welcome to this ICT lesson. Today I want to show you how you can do addition, subtraction, division and multiplication in MS Excel. Here we are going to use the same mathematical symbols except for the two of them. The addition is the normal plus sign. That one we are going to use, and subtraction the normal dash or minus sign. But for division, we are not going to use the normal one you find in mathematics books like this one. Here we will use a /. The slash which is slanting forward. Then for multiplication, we are going to use the star. And here we will not use the normal one which looks like this one, X. That one is not used here when we are doing multiplication on computer. Rather, we are using a star. Another thing is when you are simply doing any calculations on MS Excel, you normally start with the equal sign. And this equal sign is there to tell the computer that you want to do mathematical operation. So if this is a cell, the first thing, always type equal sign before you do anything else. This one will tell the computer I am starting calculation. And if you want to leave this without finishing, then you have to press escape key. It is normally written ESC. When you press it, you leave the mathematical operation so that you can start it somewhere else maybe. I will take this opportunity to show you an example where we'll do practical calculations on MS Excel sheets. You can see here I have a file in Excel, and this one has some information. I will go ahead and format this information for it to look attractively. I will point to the border between two columns. When this cursor turns into double arrows, I just drag, and by doing that I'm able to arrange my data to look neat on the sheet. This is very important because it improves readability. Somebody can easily read. Also, the document will look attractive to anyone. I will add here another title, amount spent, amount to spend, just like that. This is amount, forgotten something. This is amount to spend. So this information is about students who are given some pocket monies on Monday, Tuesday till Friday. So these students are supposed to calculate their total and the average they received every week. Average simply means you just take the total divided by the number of days so that you get roughly how much this person gets equally across all days. And here, these students are supposed to save 5% of what they receive for the future, which is also important. And in order for them to know how much they are supposed to spend finally, they have to take this total minus what they are supposed to save to get this. We are going to do that step by step. But the first thing is to decorate this sheet so that data looks more readable and more attractive. I will first click this box at the corner to select all the rows, then right click and choose row height, and I can just use size of 20 for my rows. To expand them a bit, I will come to this and set my data in the middle of the boxes or cells by selecting all of them and clicking here middle, so that all the data is in the middle. I will select all my data or all the cells that will contain the data and apply borders. So I'll click here borders, then choose all borders. I want all these titles to be bold in appearance, so I will select all of them and choose here bold, and I want them color red. Also, I want these cells with the titles to have a background color, so I will choose this jag here, the color fill, and choose attractive color like this. Here we have days from Monday to Friday. I want them to have a title on top, so I will create another row on top of this number 1. So I will point to the row header, or this number 1. When my arrow turns pointing to the right, I will right click and click insert. Now I have a new empty row. I will select these 5 cells above Monday and to Friday. I want to make them into one box or one cell, so I will click here merge center. Now you can see it is one box. I will double click, then add here days of the week like that, and give it a yellow background, I think so, and I can make the text in it bold. I want to give this a border. I will just click here again, border. Next is now to do calculations here, and this is what I'm going to do. I will start I also, before I do calculation, I want these figures to be at the center of these columns. So I will just select all of the figures, then come to the center icon and click to bring them in the middle. So here I will simply want to do total for each student from Monday to Friday. To do that, I will put equal sign, click for Monday, then use my plus sign, click for Tuesday, type my plus sign, click for Wednesday, do my plus sign, click for Thursday, do my plus sign, and click for Friday. When we don't have any other value, we don't put a plus. This formula does not end with a plus, it ends with a cell with data, not a plus. So like now, Friday is my last day, and I clicked and I go to G3. I will not put a plus again, but just press enter. I can repeat that here, equal sign, always to start, click, add a plus, click, plus, click, plus, click, plus, click, then finally enter key. I will just come and click the previous answer, point to this formula handle until you see the small plus turning black, then we just pull down like this. Now I want to center these figures in the middle. I will just select all of them and click here, center. Now average, how do we calculate average? We just take total, divide by the number of items, and in this case we have 5 items, that is Monday, Tuesday till Friday. Those are 5 days. So if I want to get the average each student is receiving, I will have to take my equal sign, click this total, then to divide, remember I said use /, and since we have 5 days, we are going to divide this total by 5 to get average. Average is like a fixed amount this person will be getting from Monday to Friday. Although in real life, this person was receiving 300, 100, 150, but on average, this person is receiving this per day. Then I will simply come down here and do it again. Equal sign, click my total, divide by number of days is 5. So I press enter. I will just come here at the corner and pull down the formula handle downwards like that. Then I will center this in the middle like that. So this is what we are going to do here. For the savings, I want to take 5% of this total amount to be considered as savings. Let me bolden this total by selecting all of them and clicking here bold. Now 5% of this amount is obtained by taking this total times 5, then you put percentage sign. In that case, I will put equal sign, click my total, I will type times, which is a star, then I will type 5, then percentage sign on the keyboard is there, and press enter. So this is the amount this person is supposed to save every week. I will do the same, equal sign, take your total, times 5, then percentage sign, press enter. If you want to know the formula, you just click the answer and you read it from the formula bar here. Answer, you read it from the formula bar. I will now apply this formula, which is this, downwards by pulling this formula handle downwards like that until I reach there. This is now my savings we are supposed to save. Now, in order to know how much to spend for that week, I will have to take what I will receive, which is the total, minus this saving amount which we have here. So I'm going to use minus this time. Put equal sign always, get your total, minus, then you click the savings, enter. So this is the amount this person, Jennifer, can spend for that week, because part of it has gone to the savings. The same here, get my total, minus, which is a dash, this saving, now press enter. So finally I can point to the formula handle and pull down like this, so that I have my information well displayed and looks attractive, as you can see here. That is how we format information. By formatting, I mean we make it look attractive and readable, and that is how we also use the plus, minus, multiplication, and division operators in MS Excel. Thank you for participating. See you next time. Bye-bye.